Welcome back. And today we have this question, and it's extremely easy question. Let's solve this question. What it says, we are given an array nums consisting of two n elements in the form of x1, x2 up to xn and y1, y2 up to yn. We have to return the array in the form of first x1, then y1, then x2, then y2, then x3, and then y3 up to xn and yn. So what I will take like let's so previous video was about right side view of the binary tree. So right now we are given x1, x2, x3 up to xn, and then y1, y2, y3 and up to yn. So what I will take a mid element here and then one iterator here I, and then I will traverse this till n and have an list answer as this, and then first I will append this I and then append mid and increase each one by one. So better to do the code. Mid is and then I is 0 while I is less than n. Take answer as empty answer dot append nums of i I plus 1, and then answer dot append nums of mid, and then mid plus equals 1, and return answer. This should be very easy, and it's extremely easy question. It's done. Thank you for watching.